In this video, we're gonna change this rusty oil drum into this barbecue grill. So watch this video until the end.
Oh, that doesn't shape good. Well, I just found this oil drum. I'm gonna make something. Let's make a barbecue grill. Okay, so actually I was planning to make a full-size grill with this oil drum and using that part as the lid. But the problem is that this oil drum is way too old and rusty and it's impossible to clean it. And because I'm dealing with food, I can't use dirty thing like this. But I still can use this drum as the firebox. So I'm just gonna make the firebox, but I need to cut this a little bit to make a proper size. So let's do it. Okay, I'm pretty much done with this grill, so I'm starving. So let's cook a chicken.
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! ¡Sí!
Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
Bomba, bomba está presente, aquí lo canta mi gente.
Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
Baila, baila y goza, mi bomba puertorriqueña.
Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
Alright guys, so this grill is pretty epic. I also had a party last night with my friends and the cooking time is pretty efficient with this grill. And it's delicious. Well, I know it's kinda stupid project, but I like it. And I hope you like it too. And please hit that like if you like it. If you don't, just dislike, it's okay. So subscribe to see my next project in the future. And if you have any idea, please let me know in the comment below. God, it's delicious. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. See ya.